Welcome to Auggie, powered by AirPro Diagnostics. This video is designed to familiarize you with the Auggie forward-facing camera calibration tool and help you perform proper and safe calibrations. Prior to any calibration, ensure that all OEM pre-calibration requirements are completed and that the vehicle is ADAS calibration ready. Clean the windshield with the provided microfiber cloth and approved glass cleaner. Confirm the steering wheel is centered and the wheels are pointed straight forward. Windshield wipers should be in the off position with the auto turned off. Press the power button to turn on the Auggie. Once boot up is complete, use either the QR code to access the assisted calibration button or use the assisted calibration button on the Auggie side screen. Enter the make, model, year, and calibration type for the vehicle you're preparing to calibrate. Measure the wheel arch heights. Then, enter them into the Auggie in millimeters when prompted. The Auggie will then display the correct leg lengths and a Ruco marker for the following steps. To properly verify the center point of the windshield, use the included tape measurer and small suction cups to measure the center of the windshield. Then, mark the location and remove suction cups and tape measurer. Place the fender guard on the hood of the vehicle. Locate the correct Ruco marker in the Auggie container. Clean the Ruco markers with the provided microfiber cloth and approved cleaner. Locate the notch or line on the Ruco marker. Install the top Ruco marker aligned with the center of the windshield, making sure it is evenly placed with the top of the glass, roofline, or molding on both sides. Then, install the bottom rectangle Ruco marker so the camera lens is positioned in the center. Locate the black suction cups in the Auggie case. Clean the black suction cup assembly with an approved cleaner and microfiber cloth. Install the suction cup assembly at the top corners of the windshield. Ensure the larger suction cup with thumb screw is on the driver's side along with the handle. Use the plunger to ensure proper suction, making sure the red line on the plunger is no longer visible. Place the provided level on the ground, beside the vehicle's front tire. Then, place the digital inclinometer on the level and press the 0 button. Confirm display reads 0.0. Place the inclinometer on the center of the top Ruco marker. Record the angle. Set leg lengths according to the values previously provided on the side screen. Place the Auggie on the bottom corner of the windshield with all legs contacting the glass. Then, use the suction cup handle to pull the cable over the metal tab on top of the Auggie. Position the Auggie over the center of the windshield and tighten the cable lock. Install the Auggie cover, making sure both sides go under the suction cup cable. Then, fasten the Velcro. Select Ready for Alignment on the Auggie side screen. Loosen the cable lock and slide the Auggie so the camera lens is in the center of the red reticle. Adjust the Auggie until the roll and yaw values turn from red to green, indicating they are within tolerance. Then retighten the cable lock. Do not press the ready button at this time. Connect the AirPro or compatible scan tool. Submit for an Auggie calibration or target request. An AirPro technician will verify proper position and inform you when the calibration is complete or target is displayed. We would like to thank you for watching this instructional video and for being an AirPro Diagnostics customer.